We're dealing with just a little bit more haze into the area where we have fires both throughout the Northwest and even locally here in the area north of St. Anthony. Idaho Falls also been dealing with a little bit of wind. You can see our camera is shaking a bit above town there, with wind speeds actually dropped down a little bit from what they were earlier. Now seeing sustained speeds around 20 miles per hour. We were seeing sustained speeds near 26 a little bit ago, but that's calmed down for now. Tomorrow, though, is going to be the windier day. We may briefly calm those winds down overnight tonight, but then they rebound with a vengeance into the daylight hours tomorrow. Here's the Viper radar. Nice and clear through the area. We've been tracking a couple storms there south of Soda Springs, actually near the Montpelier area, but they've just been light showers there. Not looking for anything too impressive for now. In fact, we're going to stay pretty dry through the next couple of days. Here's a look at that Viper cast by 9 a.m. tomorrow. Maybe a couple clouds in the sky, but other than that, nothing much going on. What you do see is a strong northerly influence, and by tomorrow night, Sunday night, 10 p.m. here, we'll start to see a few more clouds into the area. Into Sunday, those clouds into Monday, those clouds start to produce a little bit of rain. And by the way, it's going to be cold at that point. We'll take a look at that in just a moment. Rain lasts throughout much of the day Monday. We'll look for at least a chance of that throughout the Snake River Plain, also into the mountain elevations. It all happens as high pressure has kind of ducked out of the area, and a system of low pressure up to our north is going to drop a little northerly influence and a cooler air mass into the area, especially Monday. We get that vertical air coming straight from the north. That means pretty significant cool down here. Even into Tuesday morning, things are going to be very cold. In fact, Tuesday morning is going to be the coldest spot in the forecast before high pressure takes over the forecast and starts to bring some warmer temperatures back into the area once again. Here's a look at the highs for tomorrow. Just looking for upper 70s in the McCammon and Preston. 81 for Malad, where we're seeing temperatures closer to 90 today. 70 is your high for Sunday. Into Jackson, looking for low to mid 70s through the upper Snake River Plain. Into central Idaho, 71 for Salmon, 74 in Chalice, 69 in Mackay, 74 for Arco. Pocatello is going to be topping out around 76. We'll also look for a 76-degree high into Idaho Falls, with 64 as a high Monday and a 30% chance of rain along with that wind. So pretty crazy weather there, but it's going to be brief. We'll warm up pretty quickly, back towards 80 and even 90 degrees in Pocatello by the tail end of the week. Rexburg looking at 73 tomorrow, 61, struggling to get out of the 50s for your Monday before we get a chance to warm up. 36 your overnight low for Rexburg into Tuesday, by the way. Blackfoot looking at 70s, 65 on Monday, and then 80s again by the end of next week. Into Salmon, we're hitting 80 degrees Tuesday, 85 Wednesday, so it's just going to be a brief moment there where we've got wind, rain, and cold. Jackson, coldest of all, going to hit freezing by Tuesday morning before we start to warm things back up. Linda.
All right, thanks so much, Andrew. The Banksy-funded rescue